the vibrational frequency of food. Each substance has its own vibrational frequency. Each food has a different vibrational frequency. Each food differs in the rates of digestion and absorption in the human body. The higher the vibrational frequency of food, the better the digestibility of the food and the higher the rate of absorption of the food. Also, the higher the vibrational frequency of food, the more light the food contains. Weeds or small plants that herbivores feed on have higher vibrational frequencies when they are alive than when they are in dried states, like hay. The reason herbivores can live healthy by eating only living weeds is that they are supplied with vitality-rich light of high vibrational frequencies directly from the living weeds. Solar-dried sea salt produced in a natural condition emits a bright purple light with a very high vibrational frequency. On the other hand, artificially manufactured refined salt emits a turbid dark purple light with a very low vibrational frequency. Foods with lower vibrational frequencies are less digestible and less absorbable. Different varieties of rice have different vibrational frequencies. Different varieties of rice have different kinds of key energy generated from digested rice in the human body. Different varieties of rice have different taste and aromas, and also different nutritional components. Rice has a higher vibrational frequency than meat. Rice with a higher vibrational frequency is more used as an energy source for human mental activities than meat, while meat is used more as an energy source for human physical activities. After food is digested in the human body, the nutrients absorbed in the form of biomolecules, which have lower vibrational frequencies, are supplied as energy sources to cells, tissues, and organs through the blood circulation system. On the other hand, after food is digested in the human body, the microparticles in the form of key energy, which have relatively higher vibrational frequencies, are supplied as light to cells, tissues, and organs through the meridian system. Taken together, food goes through the digestive process in the human body to be absorbed in the forms of nutrients and light, which are then supplied to cells, tissues, and organs through blood circulation and meridian circulation, respectively. In the human body, the heart is the organ with the highest vibrational frequency. The key energy or light that have been observed from the food with the highest vibrational frequency are delivered to the heart and kidneys through the DAUM meridian routes, influencing human mental activities. Each organism has a different rate of food digestion. This is because Each organism has a different digestive system. Each organism has a different rate of nutrient absorption. This is because the digestive system of each organism has a different vibrational frequency. Even for the same lettuce, the digestibility and absorption rates of lettuce vary from person to person and from animal to animal. Also, the digestibility and absorption rate of corn vary from person to person and from animal to animal, even when the same variety of corn is eaten. Different varieties of corn have different vibrational frequencies. Each variety of corn has a different vibrational frequency, so each variety of corn has different rates of digestion and absorption by the human body. Different varieties of corn have different vibrational frequencies, which means that some components of corn have different strengths of molecular bonds, depending on the variety of corn. The fact that each variety of corn has a different vibrational frequency also means that each variety of corn has different nutritional components. Each grain has a different vibrational frequency. Each meat has a different vibrational frequency. Each fruit has a different vibrational frequency. Each vegetable has a different vibrational frequency. When food goes through the digestive process, the particles with relatively lower vibrational frequencies are absorbed by the body in the form of biomolecules. When food goes through the digestive process, the microparticles with relatively higher vibrational frequencies are absorbed by the body and subdivided into invisible key energy to be supplied to the organs through meridian routes. During food digestion, key energy level microparticles of the food are automatically classified into 12 groups according to their vibrational frequencies, and each of these 12 groups of key energy is transferred to the corresponding routes of the 12 meridian routes. This process takes place in the spleen and is called the function of Wunhwa in Oriental medicine. When food is digested, the components of the food are supplied in the forms of key energy or light to the organs that have the same vibrational frequencies as theirs through the Wunhwa function of the spleen. For all types of food, microparticles are generated from their food components when they go through the digestive system of the organism. The microparticles with the same vibrational frequency are delivered through the meridian system to the internal organ with the same vibrational frequency as these microparticles, where they are used as energy sources for the biological activity of the organism. When digested in the digestive system of the organism, all types of food release key energy, which is then automatically classified into 12 groups to be sent to the 12 meridian routes. In Oriental medicine, this process is the basis of the theory of Ki-Mi, which explains that every food or medicinal herb has its own unique key energy associated with its taste. In addition, these 12 types of key energy that are isolated from food during food digestion enter the 12 major organs in the human body through the 12 main meridian system. In Oriental medicine, this process is the essence of the theory of Gui-gyong, or the attributive channel theory, in which the key energy observed from each food or medicinal herb through the digestive process is explained to enter its own meridian route to come into each related organ in the body. In order to unravel the truth about the vibrational frequency of food, I, Captain Udeka, leave this message as a record. April 29th, in 2021, Udeka wrote,